All right, let me tell you about, this is the last one of the day. Let me tell you about the craziest off-menu McDonald's item that has stunned TikTok. TikTok is stunned.
Okay.
And it's not easy to stun TikTok, Mo. I don't know if you knew that. I didn't even know this thing exists. Apparently, McDonald's has chocolate birthday cake, but it's not on the menu. You have to request it, and you'll get it. It has a vanilla-looking icing on a chocolate cake, and this woman went in Omaha. She ordered it. She posted to TikTok. I think you can find a clip. It's a... Where is the clip? You didn't even have the clip. The clip didn't load for you for some reason. We need a refresh. Anyway, she's cutting this chocolate McDonald's cake on TikTok, and it has a Ronald McDonald on it, and people said it was a fake. They're like, no, they don't. She says, did you know McDonald's sells $9 cakes? And you post something like this on TikTok, you know it's about to pop off. $9 McDonald's cake. It's a huge cake. It's a full-size cake. It's a birthday cake.
Huh. But no one's ordering it, right? They're just... Are they keeping it in some sort of like...
Will, what's going on in your TikTok over there? Oh. Come on, man. Man, like the suggested videos for... Holy crap, man. Wow. Anyway, yeah, I get it's an off-menu item. So the suggestion is maybe it's only certain McDonald's that carry it, or maybe they order it in for you, or maybe if they're known for it, they'll order it in. But people were having a nostalgic feeling. I don't know if you remember being a kid, Will, and ever having a birthday party at a McDonald's, but some people recalled that chocolate cake coming out when there would be a birthday party at a McDonald's.
Huh.
Does that ring a bell for anybody over here? No bells are being rung. But anyway, people disputed and they said, no, there's no way. I work at McDonald's. I've never seen this thing. They're like, you scammed everybody. So then she goes back to McDonald's and records the whole process in the next TikTok follow-up. Since no one believes me that McDonald's sells cake, and by the way, she's in Omaha, Nebraska, so who knows what's going to happen at your location. She shows the receipt, chocolate birthday cake, and look at the box it shows up. Chocolate cake used through February 22nd, 2021. And it's a nondescript white box. And she's in the car shivering over here, and she unboxes it, and there it is. So it looks believable to me. There you guys go. And it's Ronald McDonald again. So at least in this location, possibly others, I think if it goes viral on TikTok, now you got people walking into all kinds of McDonald's asking for the chocolate cake.
Would you try it?
Yeah, of course I would try it. I mean, what's not to try? I mean, I'm going to try a chocolate cake.
You should go ask for it up here.
Go ask for it over here and see what they say.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see if we can track one down, see if we can find one. Maybe we'll have a little birthday celebration, even though it's nobody's birthday.